Welcome to our farm! Cameron Kicklater here with Arabian Horse Times, and today we are at the amazing farm opening for Hagale Family Arabians. They have a fantastic day planned for everybody. There's going to be amazing food, there's going to be a live concert, horse presentations, they're having a charity auction to benefit the Arabian Horseman's Distress Fund and Rebecca Dervesti. It's going to be an amazing evening, so come along as we recap the best moments from Hagale Family Arabians.
When I got here, the first thing I said was, boy, my boys couldn't have done any better than living here. This is gorgeous. We're really happy for the Hagales and happy for our ponies too.
How awesome to do something like this, to get in this big. And of course, we are excited to be a part of it. And so I think it's amazing. We've got a lot of their friends from town, and there's a lot of horse people that have come into town. So I think it's a good mix of people, and I think it's a start to a great thing.
I think the Hagale family and their commitment to the industry and what it's meant for all of us is really, it's just stunning. It's just a blessing to all of us. So.
Every detail has been addressed. It's very, very impressive.
And it's like being a little girl and getting to design your dream facility. So that's really how I think of it.
I'm so happy. I'm very proud of Jim for putting it together. He did it all.
It's fantastic when you put together a fantastic facility with the fact that they're buying the best horses in the country. That's going to be a killer combination. They bought some superstars from us, and they're buying several, great horses from other people. So, I mean, I can see this farm being a total power in the horse industry.
It's a family kind of an event for us, so I'm just tickled to be a part of the Arabian community again, and I hope we make some kind of a reasonable contribution. Thank you all so much for being here.
We're going to be giving away a breeding to SF Aftershock and a breeding to SF Destination Victory. Hunter Crawford.
Consider donating a portion of that sale to Special Olympics Missouri, which...
Let's give the entire proceeds of that to Special Olympics.
This community comes together around our community and our family, just like your Springfield community comes together.
Who get blocked? I'm going to give $1,000
And then he really got the bug, and here we are. I mean, look at this, right? So could we hear the crowd for that?
Now let's have some fun and listen to some music.